Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how much I've been able to make with the Binance copy trading feature in the last 7 days. So in case you don't know, exactly 7 days ago, I made a video on how to make money by copying traders on the Binance copy trading page. And I left it for 7 days and I said I'll come back to make a video and show you guys how much I'll be able to make after 7 days. So in case you don't watch the video I was setting up the copy trading, you can watch my video. The link to that video will be in the description below. In that video, I talked about the strategies on how to select a good trader to copy. I talked about every option you need to select step by step. And I talked about everything you need to know about the copy trading feature on Binance. Again, the link to that video will be in the description below. Now, if I go on and show you guys how much I've been able to make in the last 7 days by copying a particular trader on the Binance copy trading page, you need to know that if you decide to copy another trader or maybe any other trader, your result might not be the same with my result. Because, these traders have different strategies, they have different things they are trading. So it does not mean that maybe if I made $100 that you make $100, or maybe if I lost $100 that you also lose $100 by copying the same person. You need to take note of that. But what I can assure you is that if you follow the strategy I used in picking a good trader to copy in that last video, I'm very sure that there is 90% assurance or maybe 95% assurance that you're going to be making money by copying traders with the strategy I showed in the last video. So again, the link to that video will be in the description below. And also, if you're new to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Femilani. I'm a crypto trader and I make videos on crypto and how to make money online. So if you love content like this, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and please like this video. Thank you. Here is how to go to the copy trading page on Binance. You can see I'm on the home page right here. So you click on where you have more, where the arrow is pointing to. Now, once you click on it, you scroll down to where you have trade right here, where the arrow is pointing to. And under it, you will see copy trading. So you click on it and right there, it will take you to the copy trading page on Binance. So right here is where you'll be able to see different traders that you can copy right here. So again, I'm not going to be going back to the strategy on how to pick a good trader to follow. So you can go and watch my last video. So I was going to waste too much time and make this video long because I don't want this video to be too long. So again, go and watch that video. The link will be in the description below. In that video, I explained PNL. PNL means profit and loss. That is the profit and loss each trader is making. I also explained ROI. ROI is a return on investment. I also explained MDD. MDD means maximum drawdown. That is the maximum loss each trader has made. And also, I also explained AUM. AUM means asset under management. So I explained all of these things and how these things or these parameters can help you to select a good trader to follow. Now, where can you go to see how much you are making? Now, there are two ways you can go to the page to see how much you are making. So once you get to the copy trading page right here through the home page, you can see at the bottom screen right here where it says copy. Once you click on it, it will take you to the page where you can see how much you are currently making. So you can see right here, this is the trader I'm copying and this is how I'll be able to see everything I'm making. But if you don't go to the copy trading page to the home page, there's another way. So let me go back to the home page. So right now I'm back to the home page. So in case you want to see how much you are making and you don't want to go through the home page, the easiest way is to just go to your assets page or your wallet page. So at the bottom side of the screen where you can see wallet right here, so I'll just click on wallet. And then they take me to the wallet page. And then you come right here and select overview. Make sure you are on the overview wallet page. Overview is where you can see everything you have in your wallet. And once you get there, you see where you have copy trading. You only see this copy trading if you're already copying someone. If you're not copying any trader, you won't see this copy trading in your wallet. I hope you understand. So once you see that, just select copy trading right there. And you can see on the page right here, this is the person I'm following. And I'll be able to see how much I'm making or losing. So how much have I been able to make by copying this trader in the last 7 days? Now, in case you don't know, I followed this trader with $500. So let's see whether I've been able to make money or not. So in the last 7 days, I've been able to turn my $500 to $615. That means I've been able to make a total profit of $115. And in 7 days, that is a lot without doing anything. I didn't have to crack my head to be doing analysis. I didn't have to be checking charts every day. I didn't have to do anything. Everything I did was copy a trader, which I showed the step-by-step guide in my last video. And then I just left it. And I was just checking my results every morning to see whether the money was going up or down. And every day for the last 7 days, every day I check it, it has been going up every day, except maybe one day where maybe the trader just made a loss, which was very little. But overall, that is the 7 days, I've been able to make a total profit of $115. So you can see my $500 has turned to $615. And in case you want to see more details, just come right here and click this arrow right here. And then you can see the net profit is 115.7692. Now, let's say, for example, you want to adjust your balance. That is, you want to adjust how much you're using to copy the trader. You can just come right here to where you have adjust balance right here. And then you'll be able to enter the amount you want to add. Or let's say you want to remove a part of the money in the wallet. Just come here to where you have remove. And then you can remove right here. You can remove some of the money right here. Now, why can you do this, or why should you do this? Let's say, for example, you made some profit and you don't want to risk more. You can do this. So, for example, like me, that I've turned $500 to $615. I can say, okay, I want to remove $100 and keep as my profit, just in case maybe things go bad. So I can just do that right here. Let's say, for example, I want to add more money. Maybe I'm impressed by what I'm seeing. I want to add more money to be able to make more profit. I can do that right here. But I'm not doing that. So in case you want to do that, that's how to do it. And also my settings, because you see where you have settings right here. If you click on settings, this is where you can see the settings I've been able to set right here. So in case you want to follow all of these settings, the link to my video will be in the description below. But let me just show you right here. So you can see my total stop loss is on 40%. So for this, I'm willing to risk 40% of my money. And then if you click on these advanced settings, if you click on this arrow, you will see that there are some settings I picked right here. So you see the advanced settings, the margin mode, the leverage, the position risk, everything I've been able to do right here. I explained everything and why you should do it. So everything I've been able to do right here, I explained everything in my last video, and also explained why you should pick some of these settings. I explained everything. So I will advise that you really watch that video. Don't just go to the copy trading feature on Binance and just be copying anyone. You might lose your money. So I'll go back right here. Now, if you want to stop copying this trader, just come here to where you have stop copying right here. And then you can see right here where you have margin balance. You can see my margin balance is what I have in my wallet, which is 615. The total profit I've been able to make is 116 USDT. And then estimated profit share is 10.9 USDT. So everything I'll be receiving is $604. Now, you might want to ask that, why am I receiving $604 when how much I made is over $115 or $116? Now, in my last video, I explained that there's something called profit sharing. So you can see right here, where the arrow is pointing to where it says profit sharing 10%. When you want to stop copying a trader, you are going to be giving the trader 10% of whatever profit you have made. So it is from the profit the trader made for you. You give the trader 10% and you take 90% of the profit. So this is just like a way of appreciating the trader. So every trader has a profit sharing, and I think it's 10%. So if you are copying any trader, just take note that once you want to stop copying the trader, maybe the trader has made you $1,000 profit. So you have to give the trader $100 and then you take $900. So for my case right here, I'm giving the trader $10.9 and I'm taking $604 in total. So if you want to stop copying the trader, I'll just click on confirm at the bottom side of the screen. And you can see right here where it says after the copy trading is stopped, the positions will be closed at the market price and assets will be transferred back to your spot wallet. Please note that the final amount received may vary due to price fluctuations. So you can see right here, once you stop copying the trader, the total amount will be transferred to your spot wallet. I hope you understand. So this is how much I've been able to make with the copy trading feature on Binance in the last 7 days. Now, when you say this again, don't expect the same result as what I'm having right here. Don't say because I made $115 in 7 days that if you also invest $500 in copying someone, you also make maybe $100 or $115. No, you might make more and you might make less. But if you want to have a very high chance of making profit by copying someone, make sure you use the strategy I followed by copying this trader, which I explained in my last video. So the link to that video will be in the description below. And also, if you are going to be trying this out, let me also know in the comment section. So in case you have any question or anything you want me to guide you on, let me know in the comment section. I'll be replying to every comment I get. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, in case you want to learn how to make money with trading bots on Binance, I also have a video on that where I tested that for about 7 days. The link to that video will be in the description below.